wiring technologies and solutions.
CMR's character is a reflection of the expertise and professional background of Gabriele Rideghieri, the company's founder and proprietor, whose resume was built working for influential small and medium-sized concerns in the mechanical engineering and electromechanical sectors, where he occupied roles of increasing responsibility concerning the study of methods, times measurement and cost management. Today, Gabriele Rideghieri remains not only the proprietor, but also the spirit and essence of Cmr Cablaggi. He vaunts many years' experience as a buyer of raw materials, which include electronic and electromechanical components, semi-finished and finished goods, and countless types of wiring. This is the kind of experience that has enabled CMR and its collaborators to acquire expertise in the more technical and problematic areas of production. As well as a sound knowledge of relative product sectors, such as working with sheet metal, small metal components, particularly those for electrical components, all kinds of electrical wiring, galvanizing treatments, coating systems, and lastly, mold making and plastic molding for the packaging and graphic sectors. With such expertise, CMR is not limited to offering wiring alone to its clientele. Upon request, it can provide all relative accessories as well, for example PCBs, plastic containers, fixing brackets and more. This is why CMR is the ultimate partner for those in the sector, offering complete order management, prompt reporting and a concrete opportunity to reduce time and costs, which are hard to contain using excessively rigid corporate models. A short history on CMR's wiring know-how will allow those in the sector to appreciate fully its capacity to become the ultimate partner for small and medium-sized business concerns. Initially, production was aimed at two different sectors: car theft prevention systems and gas-run motor vehicles, which involved high production figures, as many as 20,000 kits per month, bearing in mind that in each kit there are between 5 and 6 wires. CMR quickly conformed to the standards required, namely EN UNI ISO 9000 and later to UL CSA standards, a move which brought it new customers, including foreign ones. Also, since quality and delivery times are core values that have been embraced by the owner from the onset, all wiring has always been tested on the assembly line accordingly, using special instruments of German construction. In 2003, to remain abreast with the technological evolution in wiring in certain sectors, CMR acquired equipment for making wiring with co-molded connectors in thermoplastic materials such as Thermelt from the hot melt family, or in PVC, polyurethane and other materials. Using the same equipment, CMR was also able to manufacture special connectors not available on the market to address most size requirements for usage as required by customers. Co-molded wiring is normally used in sectors that require waterproofing to IP67 standard and above. The coal-molded cable sector has contributed significantly to the expansion of CMR's clientele, particularly in specialist sectors such as diagnostic systems for vehicles, including lorries, motorcycles and watercraft, and the sensor sector, which, being highly diversified, involves enormous quantities of cabling, even as much as 100,000 metres per month for several models. Of course, for some time now, CMR has contacted suppliers direct for its raw materials, given the large quantities involved, and can thus obtain the best prices to the advantage of its customers. Most of CMR's main suppliers are based in Europe, but some are in the Far East and the United States. However, for special supplies, CMR relies on skilled manual labour in Bulgaria. For the past several years, CMR's overall organisation, stock management, production planning and so on, has been such as to enable it to work with some of its customers in free pass or even Kanban mode, which are systems generally adopted by multinational firms. In conclusion, CMR currently vaunts customers in Italy as well as in other countries such as Switzerland, Germany, Austria and the United States. CMR Wiring Technologies and Solutions.